Hi everybody, NAVIFORCE again here. Today we are going to show you an unboxing review of our main dual display watch. The model number is the NF9195. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, the box is very textured. You can buy it as a gift. And now let me open it and show you. Take out the inside box. You can see there is the guarantee card. And the warranty year is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual for the NF9195. It's very clear to teach you how to adjust your new watch. And here is the watch that I will unbox today. It is the hot sales watch NF9195. This is a dual display watch with both quartz analog and the LCD digital screen. Let's first have a look at the back side. Here from the back side, you can know the model number here. It is the NF9195. And you can know some other detailed information about the bezel. It is the stainless steel bezel and the professional waterproof for the 3 ATM. The case diameter of this model is 45 millimeter and the thickness is 17.3 millimeter. The case is zinc alloy material and the strap is stainless steel material. You can see the glass. This watch used hardened mineral glass so that it is scratch resistant and very durable to use. The total length of this watch is 230 millimeter. So you can notice that the strap is 3-link design, and it has very nice quality. And this watch makes use of folding buckle with safety. It is very easy to wear and convenient. So let me show you. Let me show you. Now let's see more details about this watch. This watch takes inspiration from the Running Young Man. So it's using LCD screen as the button, and the 8 young men in the screen look like they are having a passionate running race. And the bezel here integrates with the element of tachymeter as ornament design. The strap also makes use of the racetrack design. So from the overlook, it is full of a sense of sport. Lastly, I want to show you all colors of this model. There are a total of 6 colors here. Look, this one is the silver black. And this one is the blue combined silver. This one is the solid gold. It is very shiny. This one is the solid black that I just mainly talk about. And this one is the rose gold blue. The last one is the silver gray, combine the black bezel. It is very cool and very suitable for the young men. The color scheme of this model and the quality is very good and cool. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9195 today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.